Hi all, and welcome back to this small help video. Today we are going to talk about the home button. Have you ever had a problem with your home button not working, being sticky, or just not really doing as you expected? Well, then have a look at this video because my kids, they are using my iPad and they have dirty fingers, sticky fingers, whatever they have on their fingers, and your home button is getting a bit dirty with all kinds of things on the hands. So a very simple thing to do with your home button if it's not really working is to take a wet napkin. I use the ones that I also use on my kids. And you can also take rubbing alcohol on your finger or whatever you have in your house, and you can take one of these, go around in circles on the home button, try to clean it up. And you've done this for a couple times. I take a dry napkin and do the same, and you can then see if the home button is working as expected. If it is still not working, you can also take a toothpick or a needle or whatever things you have on your disk, and you can also do the same. Go around in circles in the corners and see if anything comes up. And again, take your wet napkin and go again, and your dry one, and see if that is working. Most of the times this is actually easy and very helpful, and I do it once in a while just to make sure that the iPad is working as expected. On older devices, on older iPads, you can also reset your home button by pushing your power button, and then you see this one, and then hold the home button for a couple of seconds. On my series, just gonna, oh, here you go. And then you reset your home button. So this is also something that is very easy to do, and also a helpful way of getting rid of sticky home button. But some iPads, older ones who have been used for years, can have issues, and sometimes it is necessary to take your iPad to the repair shop and get your home button replaced with a function home buttons, but not all want to spend money on replacing the home button in the repair shop. It can cost a lot of money. So a small tip can also be to enable the assistive touch, which you can do in your general settings, accessibility, and in here you have assistive touch. If you go down here, you have it right here, and I can turn on assistive touch like this. So you see here comes this small thing you can push or click. And if I do that, you get this menu where you can use home. Easy, you can drag it around so it's where you want it to be. But one thing I want to show is you can configure if you double tap, for example. Oh, sorry about that. In here, and then you have different things it can do when you double tap this one, the assistive touch. I have set this one to home. So if I go back, push this one, it opens. If you double tap, it goes home. So you can configure your assistive touch. It's easy. It's a very nice feature that Apple has created. So if you are in a, I take this one, yeah, tack. double tap, and then you are at your home screen. So this is a good way to get your home functionality up and running again if your home button is not really working. I actually use it quite a lot because I really like this functionality. And again, just to make sure that you saw where it was configured, accessibility, scroll down a bit, assistive touch in here, you can turn it on and off. And again, you can move it around on the screen to make sure that it is working the best way for you. Double tap and you get home. So hopefully this small video can fix your issues with your home button. I hope you will subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Thanks a lot, and see you soon.